Yes, sir. It like he good. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And on today's vlog, we doing a group ride with some new friends. I'm pulling up on ZX10 Mo. A couple other bike influencers should be up there. I think J1K should be up there. And we'll see who else we run into. Nice little ride around Atlanta. I don't really know where we going, but we gonna find out. My homie Kinazi supposed to be meeting me up here. I got my Insta360 in the sky. So hopefully we can get some dope content for y'all today. I got my other camera right here on in front of me. The meetup was supposed to be at 1 and kickstands go up at 2. So I should be pulling up in decent timing for some bikes to be up here. Oh yeah, and I'm definitely rocking my new AGV KS1. This helmet feels amazing. I need to get a pin lock. I see some bikes over there. I don't even know where to turn in at. I ain't gonna lie to you. How do I get in there? Oh yeah, they deep. Oh, we gotta sign a waiver? Okay, I like this. Yes, sir. Okay, for sure. Yes, sir. We locked in. I appreciate it, family.
No problem.
Thank you. Them boys out. Let's get this content. Y'all ready for this ride? Y'all see got that Insta360 up there for y'all. We gonna get some good content today. We gonna be safe. Yes, sir. Let's do it. Yes, sir. Okay, slide him in. Slide him in. H2. I think we had a successful meeting. I see the AGV helmets all over. I got mine on. Yes, sir. Let's get in traffic. Mobbing through the ATL. Hey, man. It's a lifestyle for real, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, twin. Yes, sir. ZX6 Santa. Down here by the Ben Stadium. I know it's a game going on. I know it's a game going on. It's game season. But I'm just enjoying myself. Making sure I stay aware, pay attention. Through the city, man. I hope y'all enjoying this ride. We about to be on to the next stop. We about to hit the highway, man. Bike life, this amazing. Bro just hit a wheelie up the block. It's about to be a lot of wheelies going on. Folks about to get to acting up. So we gonna ride safe. Keep us protected, Lord. And let's have fun. I met a lot of cool people today too, I ain't gonna even lie. gonna lie to y'all. I hope y'all ready. It's about to be a movie. We hopped in traffic. Fire. Yes, sir. The Christmas present. I need a new bike for Christmas too. Let me go get some rollers. Take over the streets of ATL, man. CBR Honda 600 ZX6R Yamaha, yeah, that's my boy on the R7. That's twin on the R7 right there. Tunnel. Trying to stay out Twin Way. He trying to pick that mug up. Okay, it like he good. It like he good. Let's go. We gotta get up out of here. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Walk him. Walk him. Oh my God, bro, going crazy. Yes, sir. Woo-wee. Okay. Yes, sir. Got it. Okay, Mo. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. Lift him up. Okay. Twin goated. Twin goated.